Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. So today we're keeping it very simple with this recipe. I am going to show you how to fry the perfect fish. Now some of you guys are scared to fry fish because every time you fry your fish it falls apart. Now guys, I have you covered, so stay with me and let's get right into this recipe. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. So in my bowl, I have my red snapper. When I purchased this from my local fishmongers, they remove all the scales and also cut it into pieces. All I had to do was clean it with lemon water. I have onions, garlic, scotch bonnet, thyme, onion granules, mixed herbs, garlic granules, white pepper, black pepper. I have this all-purpose seasoning which was sent to me by my friend. She has launched her seasoning business, and guys, this all-purpose seasoning is great in any dishes. You can use it in your jollof rice, your soups, your stew. You can fry your fish, steam your meat, you name it. I'll be sure to link her website in the description box below. I also have Himalayan salt and vegetable oil for frying. Before I add my seasonings to my fish, I'm just using kitchen towel and I'm dabbing the fish to remove any excess water from cleaning the fish. I usually do this so when I add all my seasonings, the fish absorbs the seasonings nicely. Guys, you can certainly use any type of fish for this recipe. I am now going to season the fish. Also guys, feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together to ensure that the fish is well covered in the seasoning. I am now going to cover the fish with cling film, place it in the refrigerator and allow it to marinate for 30 minutes. "30 minutes later, I'm added enough oil to my pan. I am now going to add the dry thyme, onion, garlic and scotch bonnet, and I'm going to allow the vegetable to infuse in the oil to release its flavors before I add the fish. I am now going to add the fish to my oil, and I'm going to allow each side of the fish to fry for 4 to 5 minutes on medium to high heat. After frying the fish on one side for 4 to 5 minutes, I am flipping the other side and allowing this side to also fry for 4 to 5 minutes. So guys, when you're flipping your fish over, you have to be gentle because you don't want your fish to break. Oh my goodness, just look at the beautiful color this fish has. You can really smell the seasonings and the spices. I am just going to place the fish on a kitchen towel and allow any excess oil to drain. And the last piece of fish is out of the pan. My goodness, just look at this beautiful golden fish. I am certainly going to enjoy mine with some kinky. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and I will see you next time. Bye.